Hi folks, Elaine here with WTI. Are you looking to finish off your flooring project? Well, this self-adhesive vinyl cove base by Duzzy was exactly what I needed in my life. It worked wonderful on the rolling hills and valleys of our basement floors and gave it a polished, finished look. This was especially helpful to cover up any flooring gaps or mistakes for DIYers like myself. I mean, it transforms a room and makes it look 100% more appealing to the eye. It looks so much better. I think it's durable and yet easy to cut. And I just am impressed by the self adhesive. I appreciate the no mess factor and not having to clean up caulk on adhesive oozing out of everywhere. I started out with a straight, easy strip and definitely suggest that keeping your blow dry handy to help the adhesive be pliable for the corners. And I personally think that it came out awesome, even though I was a bit rusty. I thoroughly enjoyed using this product and I plan to use it again in our house elsewhere. It was a top-notch, affordable solution for finishing off our basement floors. So try it out for yourself. I loved it, I highly recommend it, and that's just my point of view.